In this lesson, we'll talk about file protection for your course in SendPulse. This feature ensures access control for educational content within the Learning app, helping not only to safeguard intellectual property, but also to maintain an organized learning process. The video protection system secures your content through several restrictions. Preventing videos from being saved to a device, viewing is available only in the app. Blocking access for deleted or banned students. Restricting access after the course completion date, automatically removing videos if the lesson containing them is deleted, and making them unavailable once a file is removed from the file manager. This protection guarantees that only authorized students, according to their system status, can access the materials, while videos cannot be downloaded for unauthorized distribution. You can also add and configure a watermark for your uploaded videos. This helps protect your content from unauthorized sharing and reinforces your academy's visual identity. You can add the watermark as text or an image. Activate the custom watermark toggle and configure its display settings. If you choose the text option, click Configure, enter up to 180 characters of text, and include dynamic variables, such as your website domain. You can also adjust the block background, text color, and font size. If you prefer an image, enable the corresponding toggle, upload the file from the file manager, and then disable the text option. The watermark must include at least one element. Click Configure to adjust the image size relative to the video and its transparency level. You can also fine-tune how long and how often the watermark appears. To prevent it from being blurred or replaced, set it to appear in different positions within the video window.